You won't believe how often I have to start again sometimes. So what I want to do now is, as you can see, I have a title above the subject. And now in the edit page, I want to put the title behind the subject, and I use the depth map for it. You only have the depth map in DaVinci Resolve Studio. What I'm going to do is I click on the footage, hold Alt and drag the footage up to make a copy of it. And here I'm going to Effects, Open FX, and now I'm searching for the depth map, drop it on the footage, and then I'm going to adjust. But you know what? I turn off the depth map preview because I just want to adjust it while I see it as it is. Yeah. I have a better feeling for it when I'm doing it this way. I really have to turn off the depth map preview. It will be for everybody different, but for me it is that way. And I also can, of course, look what the isolation slider does for me. You see that it automatically makes the colors more solid in the text, so I can keep it just with the basic settings that it comes with, and then in the post-processing I make sure that the fringes are a little bit softer. Maybe it's even better when I don't use it. I really have to have a look at it. It's cleaner without. Who would have thought? But you get the gist of it. It's very easy, and you would have a lot of work doing it in a different way. So it's a very great tool, the depth map. Have fun with the next video in the playlist. For now, have a great day and goodbye.